I'm looking for my beauty babies. Won't somebody help me to find them? Help me to find them. See, I heard that they missed me and they wanted to ask me if I was alright. Yes, y'all, I'm alright. Yes, I'm back again. I'm back, y'all.
Welcome, beauty babies, to my festival flow featuring Juvia's Place, the festival palette. Starting off with some color correction by BH Cosmetics. This is in the color Peach, and I'm using a Real Technique sponge there. Their Pro concealer line is fantastic for the price. You get a really powerful concealer. I would suggest getting some if you haven't picked up some already. Going in with Fenty Beauty's foundation in the color 380, and I'm going to use this Real Technique sponge. Please make sure your sponge is really damp when you're using it with this particular foundation, because it's very liquidy and your sponge will soak up the foundation if you don't make sure it's damp. I'm gonna be going in also with 3 concealers: the BH Cosmetics, the Color Pop Cosmetic Concealer, and WetnWild. The WetnWild is in medium deep tan. The Colourpop is in golden 60, and then this one that is going down by the chin is in the color rich 70. Just blending that out with my Real Technique sponge under the eyes and around the top of the mouth. Sort of give a highlight, but not a very dramatic highlight. Now I'm going to be using that BH Cosmetics in the color 117 concealer as a base on my eyelid. I really like it for that because it doesn't allow too much creasing of the shadows, and they stick really well. I'm going to be setting the under eye with those 2 different powders by Laura Mercier and by Maybelline. Maybelline surprised me with that loose powder. It's a really great formula. I believe that one is in the color medium, and the Laura Mercier is in the color medium as well. Now I'm just going to be doing some contouring with my favorite Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I really love the powder formula that BH Cosmetics has, and they've got some new products out. I'm going to have to check them out because I just love their powder formulas. They're just beautiful. That is the Laura Mercier powder I'm going underneath to just chisel the face out a little bit more. And this is my homemade bronzer with just an amalgamation of dark colored powders, and then using Jackie Aina Labronze powder by Artist Couture, and mix those things together. This is the Juvia's Place the Saharan blush palette. It's number 1. It's the first one. Really very pigmented blushes, so use a light hand. This is the Danessa Myricks Enlighten powder in the color Attraction. I really enjoy her products, and if you get a good coupon code, I would suggest picking up some of her items like the Enlighten powder, her Evolution powder, and her foundation. And onto the beauty called the Festival palette. I'm going in with EDG and just using that as a transition color, but very lightly. That is a Milani brush set that I'm using, that I got for free when I placed my order with them. I'm not a big fan, but I was using it so that I could test out, you know, just the product itself. It's not the softest brush I've ever used, and it seems like the more I use it, the stiffer it gets, and I've never experienced that with other brushes. Now I'm going in with Izafa. This is a Coastal Scents brush. It's like a crease slash blending brush, depending upon which way you hold the brush and how you use it. That's because it's flat, but it has a dome shaped kind of puff at the end of the brush. It's very unique to me, and I really enjoy it. It's not like other blending brushes, and I use it a lot. When you want a more defined look, you just tip the brush up more, and when you want to blend, you flatten it out. Now we're going in with Keleke, which is this beautiful soft charcoal black. It is just gorgeous. It is not a black, you know, color. It's more of a charcoal black, like a grayish charcoal. It's very smoky, it's very beautiful, just really pretty. It's got shimmer to it, but the shimmer is more on the satin side, but very velvety and very deep. It's just a really beautiful color, and I love the way it shows up on my lid. I just like the way it translates from the pan to the eye. It's a really nice color. I'm just using a dome brush. That dome brush is by BH Cosmetics. It comes from the Ashley Tisdale collection. It's the green set. Oh my gosh, guys, you want to talk about uber soft brushes for an inexpensive price that actually are quite durable? Yeah, that would be that set right there. Now we're going in with Abba, a beautiful bluish green, you know, peacock teal color. It's so gorgeous. It's also a shimmer color as well, and it's just beautiful. It's very pigmented, very intense. Also, again, using another Ashley Tisdale brush. That's the eyeshadow brush. It's also very soft and so easy to use, and the color just really just nicely packs on. And I didn't get a lot of fallout at all. I don't even think I got any, actually. Love that color. It's just so pretty. Now we're going in with Odogwu. Gonna be using that almost like a tear duct color, but really going in to the eye, just using a small corner of that inner eye and dragging it across. So it's not completely a tear duct color, because I am taking it into the eye somewhat. It's a very beautiful gold color. It's shimmery, but it's not metallic. Very pretty. I was taking a chance on using it, and it worked out well. Now we're going in with Uli. Uli is like a white gold. It comes off more silvery than gold, but it's a beautiful color. Great for the inner tear duct. I would like to use this as a lid color one day, see how it comes out. It's just so pretty, and they blend so nicely. It just really made for a really nice combination. Going back in under the eye with Keleke, just so we can kind of mimic what's going on the top of the eye and marry those two together. Using, again, the same dome brush I used from the Ashley Tisdale set. Now going in with EDG. Again, trying to mimic what's on the top, using that Milani brush. And it is not as soft as I'm used to. So yeah, I won't be getting any of their brushes. I'm so glad they were giving away that set for free. So I won't waste my money on any of their brushes, because it would make me mad, as poor quality as they are. This is a eyeliner by Ruby Kisses, and it's called Rich Teal Blue, and that's exactly what it is. It's a part of their 24-hour Eye Define collection. It's a beautiful shade, very intense, and you do not have to press hard to get the shadow to come out. I really, really love it. I need to go and get some other different colors, because it's a really beautiful formula that I like to use. Now we're going to put some eyeliner at the top just to give me a base for my wing. I'm using the Clay eyeliner by Tarte Cosmetics here. I don't do the best wings, which is why I like to use eyeliner as a base for my wings. It really helps to eliminate a lot of mistakes that you make by just using the wing eyeliner alone. So I'm just doing a slight wing, nothing super dramatic. And I'm using the NYC eyeliner. It's my only bottle, and I heard you can't buy it online anymore, so I'm gonna have to find a substitute. I heard NYX has a eyeliner that's very close to this one, a liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna have to try that, because I love this stuff. Love it. This is the new Curvitude mascara by Maybelline. I really, really like this. I love the brush. It actually works on curling my lashes, and I like the formula of the mascara. It's very black, and it lasts all day because I got the waterproof formula. It doesn't clump. It can really separate your lashes very nicely. I really enjoy it. It's fantastic for the lower lashes. It really pulls them out, as you can see right there. And because the brush is thin and lightweight, you don't get a lot of clumping, and you can be more precise under the eye with it. I really like it. Maybelline's mascaras can get it, y'all. This is Toofaced Better Than Sex. You guys know this is my favorite mascara of all times. I love this stuff. I need to get another tube, because this one is almost gone. It's so black, so intense. Waterproof formula is fantastic. It does clump a little bit, especially once the tube starts to get a little old. They need to fix that part of it, but other than that, I love it. This is the Mahogany lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. It's a part of the Patrick Star collection. I bought it because I really liked how that lipstick looked, so I wanted to try everything all together. This is also, again, Ruby Kisses. This is their Maracuja stick in the color Black Honey. Now here's the Mama Star lipstick, which at first I did not like. That's why I don't do first impression videos, because I really didn't like this lipstick at first, but after using it with a lot of different products, I have fallen in love with it, and now I can't stop using it. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite lip glosses by Bare Minerals. This is a Moxie lip gloss. I can't remember the color. I want to say it's Show Off, but I will put the color in the description box. These lip glosses are really slept on. People don't really talk about them, but they are fantastic. They're not very sticky at all. They give you fantastic shimmer by themselves, or a lip liner, or with your favorite lipstick. They can transform a dull lip into a beautiful one, and they even plump your lips a little bit without stinging them. This is the Milani setting spray, and now we're gonna have our finished look. after I spray this Cover FX. This is like a glow spray. And here's our finished look. Soft, subtle color. Who said you can't be soft and be subtle and colorful at the same time? I don't know who said that, but it's just not true. With makeup, you can achieve that. I really love how this look came out, you guys, and I think it's a favorite of you guys also. Hope you enjoyed it. It's good to be back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.